Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my favorite bind off. Start by working the first 2 stitches of your row in pattern. This means knit your knit stitches and purl your purl stitches. Then insert your left needle through the front loops of the 2 stitches on your right needle. So if you want to save yourself a little time, you don't have to slide out the right needle of your stitches. You have already the perfect setup to knit them together through the back loop. Wrap the working yarn around the needle and pull it through the 2 stitches. Slide the 2 stitches off the needle and you have bound off 1 stitch. Knit or purl the next stitch and you have 2 stitches on your right needle again. Slide your left needle into the front loops of the stitches on your right needle. You don't need to drop out the right needle, just wrap your working yarn around your needle, pull it through the 2 stitches, slip it off the needle, and you have bound off another stitch. Knit or purl the next stitch so that you have 2 stitches on your right needle. Slip the 2 stitches purlwise back onto your left needle. This time I did drop out my right needle because I wanted to show you. And then insert your right needle again through the back loop of both stitches and knit them together. You have bound off another stitch. And you just have to repeat the same steps until you have bound off all stitches. Knit the next stitch. Then slip the last 2 stitches from your right needle back onto your left needle. You don't have to drop out your right needle. Then wrap your yarn around and knit them together through the back loop. Continue repeating these steps until you have bound off all your stitches. After trying out a few different bind off methods, this one just clicked. It has the perfect amount of stretch without flaring out the edges, and it has become my go-to method for almost every project. I'm using it for socks, sweaters, hats, everything. So I have worked a few stitches here and you can already see how stretchy this bind off is, and it looks really beautiful. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I wish you all the best. Bye!